Hello, I'm up on Solomon's Tower again using my new Canon EOS 1300D camera. What I want to show you is this Ladybird. It's basically a stone. Someone just painted as a ladybird, turn it upside down. HP Rocks on Facebook. I don't do Facebook, I do YouTube. Rehide, shall I say, Finley. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it and hide it elsewhere. Let's see if somebody else finds it. Hello, this is my second part to my Ladybird video. So I found this Solomon's Tower near Buxton, just near Harper Hill. It's HP Rocks on Facebook, Rehide Finley. Now I don't do Facebook, but instead I do YouTube, so I've written on it also on YouTube. Check out Jimmy James 73. Just there. Hopefully, this is the link, you see, that's the link to the last person got it on my Facebook, which I don't do. Hopefully, whoever finds this next will go out on my YouTube channel. They'll see this video, and hopefully then, I don't know if they do Facebook or YouTube, hopefully they'll rehide it. So I'm going to come back week's time, maybe 5 days, something, give it a few days or something, and see what happens. See if somebody else found it and taken it. Okay, so let's see what happens. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. One quick last look, and it's still there. Let's see if it's still there a few days time or a week's time, something. Thanks for watching, bye. Evening, this is late on the Monday evening, about the 14th of May. Come to see if that Ladybird is still there. Oh wait, it's gone. Can't see it. See, that's where I left it. This is an update. Should be on that. I left it on that little stone thing there. Let's see. Somebody's hidden it. I'm sure somebody's, I left it right there. Somebody's picked it up. No. Don't think they've. It's gone. It's not there. No, can't see if anybody's. I think they've actually picked it up and put it elsewhere. Definitely gone. Can't see it. I don't think they would have hidden it. I hope they've picked it up and moved it. I don't know where they've moved it, and I can't see in this area. Hope they've moved it elsewhere. They may have taken it home. Come, oh look, what's that over there? And they've gone like, come over to stone and picked up that little Ladybird stone. And hopefully, because I left my Jimmy James 73 on my YouTube, so hopefully they'll be able to, maybe I can check it out, maybe I can find it online somewhere. Anyway, so that's the end of that. Just wanted to find out to see if it's still there. So I think a lot of children been. I don't think any adult. Maybe an adult have picked it up. I don't know. Picked it up. So anyway, it's been picked up and moved on to elsewhere. So on its new journey elsewhere. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next adventure video. Well, not adventure, but my next video, whatever I decide to do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.